Hey everyone, welcome back to AIfinder, where we test the latest AI tools to see if they're all talk or total game changers. Here question: what if your next product shoot didn't need a camera, models, or even a studio? Take a look. Here's a basic photo of some sunglasses. Decent, but not exactly eye-catching. Now here's the after. Clean. Editorial, high converting. It looks like it came from a pro shoot, but it was built entirely with AI. If you're selling fashion products online, whether you're a solo creator or an established brand, this tool might just become your go-to visual assistant. Today, we're diving into SellerPic, an AI-powered content generator made for people who sell online. From sunglasses and accessories to apparel and footwear, it turns your product photos into scroll-stopping content in minutes. And the best part? No Photoshop, no gear, no creative burnout, just your browser and your product photo. Let me show you how it works. Get started first. Open your browser and head over to SellerPic.ai. Once the dashboard loads, you'll find a clean, no-fuss interface packed with smart AI modules. We're going to use the virtual try-on for accessories, which works perfectly for sunglasses. Click into the module and upload a high-resolution image of your product. For sunglasses, a front-facing shot on a white or transparent background works best. Next, choose a face preset from SellerPic's library. You'll find a wide range of skin tones, face shapes, and lighting setups, all professionally modeled to look realistic and editorial. Now, it's time to position your product. Drag, rotate, and resize the sunglasses to fit the model's face naturally. The more accurate the fit, the better the final render will look. Once everything looks right, hit Generate. In a few seconds, SellerPic creates a hyper-realistic try-on image, and I mean studio quality. From shadow depth to reflection on the lenses, the details are shockingly good. It literally looks like you paid for a full-blown campaign shoot. But nope, it all came from your laptop. Still images are great, but videos drive engagement. Click the image to video feature and apply smooth animation presets like a slow zoom, head turn, or lighting pan. You can even layer in background music and brand colors. With just a few clicks, you've got a clean 10-second promotional video, ready for TikTok, Instagram, or your storefront. Want even more control? Try the remix feature. Type in a prompt like, a model wearing sunglasses on a beach, sunlight flaring, camera slowly panning sideways. SellerPic turns your prompt into a cinematic AI video, complete with movement, lighting, and multiple variations. You choose your favorite, tweak it, and post. Launching a new product line? Use batch mode to generate a full collection with consistent angles, lighting, and styling, perfect for lookbooks, catalogs, or launch campaigns. It's like having a creative team, minus the creative overhead. Match your product type to the right preset. For sunglasses, stick with facial presets that match the size and style of your frame for more accurate results. Publishing is just as smart. When you're done creating, click the three dots next to the download button and select Publish. This opens SellerPic's built-in social media manager, letting you schedule or post directly to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and more. No need for third-party schedulers. Everything's in one place. Whether you're selling sunglasses, streetwear, or bold accessories, SellerPic lets you create stunning visuals with zero hassle. No shoots, no stress. Just smart AI content at your fingertips. Ready to level up your brand? Head over to SellerPic.ai and use code AIF15 to get your exclusive discount. Plus, new users get free credits to try it out. This is AIfinder. You can also find our exclusive link in the comments and description. Make sure to click it and check it out. Catch you in the next one.